Welcome to the React Router course, where you will learn everything you need to know about implementing efficient and scalable routing in your React applications. I am thrilled to have you join me in this exciting journey. My name is Dauda Kolo, I am your instructor. I'll guide you step by step, helping you become proficient in React Router. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced React developer looking to enhance your skills, this course is built to cater for all. React Router is an essential library that helps us to build complex, single-page applications with multiple routes and seamless navigation. It provides a straightforward and declarative way of implementing routing in React, giving users a smooth and intuitive experience navigating through different sections of your application. In this course, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced concepts of React Router. We'll start by understanding the purpose and benefits of React Router, exploring its different versions and setting it up in a React project using NPM or Yarn. Once we have React Router running, we'll dive into the core concepts that make this all possible. We'll explore the browser router, routes, link, routes, and navigation components of React Router. We'll explore all these concepts in depth, understanding how they all work together to handle routing and render the appropriate components based on the URL. We'll cover essential topics like handling common routing issues, passing and accessing URL parameters, redirecting users to specific routes, and implementing nested routes for hierarchical navigation. We'll also explore advanced techniques such as lazy loading, route transitions, and route guards. Throughout this course, we'll work on practical examples and real-world projects, putting your newfound knowledge into action. By the end of this course, you have confidence and expertise to implement robust routing in your own React applications. You'll be able to handle complex routing scenarios, optimize performance, secure routes, and provide a seamless user experience. So get ready to embark on this React Router adventure with me.